Hi everyone, welcome to Nifty Interiors. This is Keshav Sanam here. Presently we are located in Accurate Wind Chimes apartment which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad. This is a 1720 SFT 3-bedroom apartment east facing. Let me take you around the house. Right now we are in the living area. Once you enter into the house, you can see a nice simple TV unit with a good wallpaper background. The wallpaper started from that end to that end of the dining area, and there is a small partition with a storage at the bottom. And this boxes has been given to place some nice indoor plants and also an artifacts. If you come this part of partition, we have given again a storage come small puja room. You can see a small puja room with MDF deco paint CNC cutting. We also have a vanity area in the living room. If you see this, the background has been designed with artificial turf and also the storage at the bottom with designer sink and a small mirror. From the dining area, we are entering into the master bedroom. You can see it's a 2-door sliding wardrobe, a soft closing and a hydraulic lift up storage in the loft with a low seating and storage. And we have given a profile mirror glass door as a dressing space here. You can see a storage for the dressing. This dressing mirror has given a profile, rose gold profile with a mirror. And the rest of the wall behind the bed has been covered with a wallpaper, and opposite to this wall we have painted the wall in blue in color. Small storage over here next to the bed to keep bookshelves and other artifacts and all, with a simple ceiling which is matching the entire room theme. And this is the second bedroom. This is one more wardrobe with openable doors and a workstation with a storage for the workstation, loft and the dressing mirror and storage at the bottom, with a nice ceiling with profile lighting in a rectangle shape. If you look in this house, the entire house we have used only the matte laminates. You don't see any glossy anywhere except the kitchen. Only the kitchen part we have used a glossy laminate. All the 3 bedrooms, living, partition, dining, everything we have used only the matte finishing laminates. Right now we are in the guest bedroom. Once we enter into the guest bedroom, the left side we have given a workstation. It's a nice workstation with almost 5 feet in width and 2 feet in depth. You can keep your desktop, laptop and work very comfortably. And we have given a storage here to keep your bookshelves and other any stationery items, and we're going to get a glass shelves over here. And if you look at this ceiling, we have given a rectangle and square boxes which are painted in yellow color along with this wall over here. If you look at the opposite wall, a nice wallpaper, metallic wallpaper continued just behind the bed, and a huge wardrobe which is almost 8 feet in length with openable doors. And we have given 2 more doors at the bottom. So this storage, for example, we have a dressing mirror here. This storage is dedicatedly given for cosmetic purpose. All your dressing, belonging, cosmetics and jewelries, everything can go into this particular storage. From the dining area, we are entering into the kitchen. So this is the only area where we have used a glossy laminates in the entire house. If you look at the bottom part, we have given a high gloss grey color. The entire kitchen is filled with grey only. And these are the profile doors with black tinted and aluminium frame with hydraulic lift up. And we have given a storage for the kitchen with cutlery and cup and saucer trays and bottle pull out and everything, with a granite platform and coral colored tiles. If you come this part, we have continued with the full-fledged of loft, and this is an extra storage to keep your microwave oven, and this provision is left for the fridge purpose.
So my name is Varun. So we came, and this is Aishwarya, my wife. So we came to Nifty for interiors job at our home. So right from the start, like from the design phase and the all the other steps, like the kitchen, wardrobe, false ceiling, everything, it's like whatever we told them how we want it to be done, and they made sure that it is done in that way. And everything was implemented also very nicely and in timely fashion. Like they were always telling us with all the details on what is happening, sending us photos and asking us for any clarifications. So everything was done really nicely, and we are very happy about how it turned out finally.
Yeah, thank you for your amazing work which has been done. It was nice, like the interior designer, she asked us what the ideas, whatever we wanted, and she made sure that she understood whatever we conveyed. Then, yeah, it has been executed well. Yeah. I would like to recommend it if anyone is looking for, designing their house.
Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more interior videos. Thank you.